in the ass! Fuck you! Fuck you so much! Leave the fucking city now! Get you back in that fucking train and get back where you fucking came from, you fucking assholes! I fucking hate you so much! Fuck you, Gordon Freeman. I hope you get run over by a fucking train tonight! You stupid motherfucker! Whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown, welcome to City 17.
Dr. Freeman, I presume. This day in particular. People escape. Today, we're finally on the verge of having a better way.
Lacerations detected.
Oh, and by the way, nice to finally meet you.
Blast that little... Where did she get to? That little... Where did she get to?
It's my third transfer this year.
No! 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 No!
Welcome. Get you back in that fucking train and go back where you fucking came from, you fucking assholes! I fucking hate you so much!
One's on that train?
Some hands.
No.
You citizen. That bit. Yeah, I'm gonna need missile pond to sleep for this. Now.
I'm in the middle of a critical...
course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses, with all its associated hopes,